You know what? We've had to be solution-minded. We've had to think outside the box to think of some different ways to speed up the process.
It's always difficult to make sure that everyone knows where they need to be and what needs to be done.
We have to do a lot of problem solving. It's like almost every call, almost every email is we've got to solve some problems or figure something out.
And my favorite thing to do is to watch them in a meeting where I throw out a problem and they throw their own creativity and their own problem solving skills at it.
If we have ideas, we just kind of all throw them out there, and they're all really great answers because at some point there is something that comes out of the idea.
And I have found that when my team feels like they have ownership of their respective responsibilities and then stretch them a little bit so that they learn other responsibilities, when it comes time to do the actual thing, all I have to say is go. And then they do it, and it's amazing.
All I do is just try and remove obstacles and make it easier for them to go. And they're very willing to share. They're very willing to come and give us an idea of, hey, maybe what could we do better? What would make this better? And anytime they offer that feedback and we can implement that, it's always been to our advantage.